located in the heart of India's financial capital, Mumbai. Sir M. Visvesvaraya, Institute of Management Studies and Research, is an uprising champion of quality management education, which envisions to create not just business managers, but architects of the modern India.
Sir M. Visvesvaraya created the foundations of modern India as we see it today. In SWIMS, we are dedicated to follow the ideals of Sir M. Visvesvaraya.
SVIMS offers to its students a healthy environment to build their business acumen and hence preparing them for the challenges of tomorrow's digital India.
I have joined SWIMS because it is one of the top emerging B schools. Here the faculty comes from JBIMS and IIMs and they bring industry experience to the classroom. We prepare, compete and learn while having fun. Also, I am looking forward for our international immersion program,
where the students have a chance to explore international opportunities.
I had few job offers, but I decided to start my own venture in the field of digital marketing and big data analytics with the help of Entrepreneurship Development Cell. The idea occurred to me when I was a part of international immersion program in Johannesburg, South Africa, and got to interview stalwarts like Nandi Mandela, who's granddaughter of Nelson Mandela, and Naomi King and Dr. Talib Rifai.
At SWIMS, there is never a dull moment. There are several add-on programs like Entrepreneurship Development Diploma Program, Wealth Management Program, Digital Marketing Program, and the Business Simulation Program from Germany, which we got to learn and had lots of fun. At SWIMS, there is no room to get bored.
Unlike many B schools, SVIMS endeavors to instill an entrepreneurial spirit into the very core of students by introducing them to the SVIMS Rural Acclimatization Program, which takes students across the length and breadth of real India.
With 68% of India dwelling in rural and their growing disposable incomes, coupled with digital technology making inroads in rural India, are throwing up umpteen number of opportunities for people in rural.
I was working with Siemens for a year. At the point of time, I wanted to do management course. Then I chose SWIMS because it has good placement opportunities. It has tied up with 123 companies.
SVIMS has an industry tie-up for internships on an earn while you learn basis.
Constant grooming and industry exposure at SWIMS has helped me evolve from an aspirant to a professional. I am very happy to recommend and recruit from SWIMS.
SVIMS Mumbai offers a holistic environment for not only academics but also recreation to provide an overall development to the young minds.